everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the overview of the contacts and by the end you will have all the insights how you see the usage of the contacts in the Bitrix 24. So grab a seat, hit that like button and let's get started. Contacts in the Bitrix 24 contain the detailed information about the clients and are used when they're creating deals. For seeing the contact list, we just need to go to the CRM. In the CRM, we have the option of customer, and in the customer, we have the option of contacts. So here you will see the list of the contacts. The contact list basic contain the information of the customer, that is the name, responsible person, companies, etc. You can use the search bar for searching the particular company over here. From the search section, you can search the company and you will get the data of that particular company also over here. From the right hand side, we will be having the import export option of the contacts. So you can export these contacts from the Bitrix or you can just import the bulk contacts in the Bitrix 24. At the end, you will have the total quantity, that is the show quantity option over here. From here you will see there are how many contacts in your Bitrix. So for creating the contact, you just need to go to the create button. The contact from the consist of the several section where you can store the detailed information about the client and the timeline shown in the connection to the other CRM element. This form is customizable. You can add the additional fields and you can design this form according to your organization. Here we have the option of creating field for this particular contact. So you can create the form and you can just create the customized field for your particular contact. So once you add all the information over here, you just need to save this contact. So here we will see the contact is saved over here. We just need to add the number and we just need to click on the save. So this is how you can create the contact over here. Suppose you want to generate the deal from this particular contact, you can also generate the deal from this particular contact, from this particular deal option. In the activity, you can schedule activity. In the comment section, you can add the comments over here for this particular contact. You can perform the basic action for this particular contact, that is the view, edit, copy, or suppose you want to delete this contact, so you can delete this contact. Suppose you want to select the bulk contact and from the bulk contact also you can perform this action. So this is how the contacts are created in the Bitrix 24. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below and I will see you in the next one.